To Andy ma'am, dear students. As you know, we have physics quiz today and the topic is hydrodynamics. The quiz is between 10 non-coaching and 9 coaching. Are you prepared, students? Yes, I am. Okay. The first question I will ask from the 10 non-coaching. A particle moves 20 meter east and then 15 meter west. Its displacement is 35 meter, 5 meter east, 5 meter west, 15 meter east. Solve it. Do you want to pass the answer? Now, this question goes to night coaching. 5 meter is option B. Yes, it is correct. 5 meter is. Which of the following is a vector quantity? Displacement, speed, time, or velocity? This is business. But you are giving two answers. It can be cancelled out. Read the question carefully. Which of the following is a vector quantity? Distance, speed, time, velocity? Velocity. Yes, velocity is the correct answer. Question 14, non-coaching. A body moves with uniform velocity. Which graph is a straight line? Velocity time, acceleration time, speed time, or all of the. A body moves with a uniform velocity. एक बॉडी यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी के साथ मूव कर रही है तो जो ग्राफ होगा स्ट्रेट लाइन आएगी वो किसका होगा वेलोसिटी टाइम का एक्सेलरेशन टाइम स्पीड टाइम और ऑल ऑफ दिस and all of these. No, your answer is not correct, bache. And now you are getting minus 0.5. No, it is incorrect. The answer. The SI unit of acceleration is meter per second, meter square per second. Yes, Sato. Yes, this is the correct answer. Meter per second. Yes, is the correct one. A car increases its speed from 10 meter per second to 30 meter per second in 5 seconds. The acceleration is square. 4 meter per second. 4 meter per second square is the correct answer. 9 coaching. The slope of a displacement time graph gives speed, velocity, acceleration, distance. Acceleration or the distance. Yes. Velocity. Velocity is the correct option. B is the correct option. Of a velocity time graph represents distance, speed, acceleration, or the momentum. The slope of a velocity time graph represents what does yes, you can. C acceleration is the correct answer. Watching. Area under a velocity time graph gives speed, distance or displacement, acceleration, force. Area under velocity time graph gives speed. Yes. And B, this answer is yes. Yes, absolutely correct. It is B, distance and displacement. Paper 1. Here's the question. A body starting from rest accelerates uniformly at 4 meter per second square for 5 seconds. Find the speed. But the family will be there because you are taking so much of time. बच्चे, speak little bit. The question is given to nine coaching. Nine coaching. You will not get 1 minute, you will get half minute. Because it's a past question.
See, like me.
Yes, 20 meter per second is the correct answer. Yes, a train moving at 20 meter per second stops in 10-second retardation is 1 meter per second square, 2 meter per second square, 3 meter per second square, or option B, 2 meter per second square is the correct answer. Which equation is not an equation of uniformly accelerated motion? V is equal to U plus KT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, V square is equal to U square plus 2AX, and S is equal to VD square. Which equation is not an equation of uniformly accelerated motion? A.
A.
A or D?
A.
D is the correct answer. If equation is zero, velocity is increasing, constant, decreasing, or infinite. Zero, velocity is increasing, constant, decreasing, or infinite. Yes, Henry?
Constant.
Yes, constant is the correct option. Always greater than average velocity, less than average velocity equal to displacement, or never positive. Average speed is always greater than average velocity, less than average velocity equal to displacement, never positive. Very bad question. Why you can also give the correct answer, Raj? Do you want to give the answer or should I pass it to another thing? Loud Baji, I'm not able to hear you. Equals to displacement is incorrect answer. Sorry. Nine. Coaching. Yes. But you do it fast.
Option A.
Option A. Greater than average velocity is correct answer. A particle returns to its straight starting point. Its displacement is maximum, minimum, zero. Divya,
Zero.
zero is the correct answer. Body has acceleration 9.8 meter per second square downward, 9.8 meter per second square upward or variable. A freely falling body has acceleration 9.8 meter per second square downward, 9.8 meter per second upward or variable. Yes. B option 9.8 meter per second square downward is the correct answer. Very good. The next question goes to 9.4. This graph presents uniform acceleration horizontal VT, straight line VT, curve VT, and random. VT is the velocity type graph. Acceleration is given here. B is the correct answer. Straight line velocity diagrams represents the uniform acceleration. Coaching? Sir, lots of questions are there that I will find out. Next question for 10 non-coaching. A body moving with constant speed in a circle has zero acceleration, constant acceleration, changing velocity, or zero velocity. A body is moving with a constant speed in a circle has zero acceleration, constant acceleration, changing velocity, or zero velocity. Discuss students. A body moving with a constant speed. No, it is incorrect answer. Almost. Yes, changing velocity is incorrect. Next question. Relative velocity in same direction will be some difference product or the zero always. What will happen to the relative velocity? Arya? No, it's not the right answer. That's a bad question. Arya students? Yes, some is the correct answer. Next question for 10th non-coaching. A ball drawn vertically upward at highest point. Velocity will be zero. Acceleration will be zero. 1 kilo speed maximum. Kilos or the speed will be maximum. You are using your hand. You are solving something. Are you doing option C? No, it is incorrect answer. Option A. Option A is absolutely correct answer. Velocity, acceleration, distance, or displacement. No, then why? Pratik will give the answer for that. Next one.